Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your iPhone is updated and wallet is active, and you have the S-Link app signed in with your Singapore account. Once done, open Wallet and tap the plus icon to add a pass, then switch to the S-Link app and select Add to Apple Wallet. Make sure permissions for location and Bluetooth are allowed, because Wallet and S-Link exchange data to provision the card securely. Continue when you see the card preview and instructions on screen. You'll now follow the S-Link app prompts to pick the card variant and preload amount and to transfer card data into Wallet. When prompted, confirm payment or top-up method and authorize with Face ID or your passcode. This step verifies your identity and secures the card. Make sure you keep the phone unlocked and connected to the internet. If you lose connection, the provisioning can stall. Once the app shows success, open Wallet to confirm the S-Link card appears with the correct balance and details. To finish, set the S-Link card as default for transit if you want instant tap and go, and review transaction settings so you can top up an app later. If the card does not appear, restart your iPhone, ensure iOS is current, or reinstall S-Link and repeat provisioning. These steps clear temporary errors. If authorization fails during payment, capture the error code or transaction ID and contact S-Link support. This helps them trace the issue and get your card.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.